So why do we use video to fuel marketing strategies? What we've seen sometimes using the traditional way of creating content is that we need to go through a process that takes a lot of time. So we need to understand who your ideal customers are, what's your voice, and then understand what kind of message we need to convey to actually sell your product. Well, that process takes time. But if we introduce video as soon as possible and we schedule a shoot right away, what we can do is we can simplify the whole process. We put your CEO, your salespeople, your customer service representatives in front of the camera. By them talking about what they do every day, we can learn so much more about your brand, about your voice, about your customers, about what they care about, that we can actually turn all of that into great content. So if the video looks great, we use the video. If the video doesn't look good, we can use the sound and use B-roll and still create a video for your social media, your blog, your homepage. Now, if nothing is good, we can turn that into text and make a blog from it. So in the end, there's no way to lose. You always win if you start with video.